Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speaker, identify and unlatch the right side cover. Lift the cover off the device. Find and unlatch the PSU hinge. Move the tabs to the unlocked position and lift the hinge to open it. Identify the speaker and unplug the cables. Remove the speaker from the system. To reinstall the speaker, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Push the PSU hinge down to close it and move the tabs to the locked position. Relatch the right side cover to the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.